What's up, guys? This is Jimmy over at Signature Performance. We got another beautiful build here today. It's a nice, beautiful day here in Southern California. We got a 2025 GMC Sierra 3500. This guy's owned by a customer named Todd. Todd actually lives a little bit closer to us than some of our other customers. He's actually from the IE, so nothing too far, but went ahead and dropped his truck off for a couple days and got this beautiful thing done for him. To start with this guy, Todd actually wanted to go ahead and upgrade this guy and have the best comfort. So we went ahead and recommended the 4-inch McGaughys kit here. He did want to add the optional upper control arms here and the M84 Reservoir shocks. As you can see here, Todd was very peculiar on the angles. So you see here, obviously we got the upper ball joint angles, lower ball joint angles, tie rods, axles, everything is nice and straight here for him. He was also very particular on his CV shafts and all the undercarriage getting painted. So you could see there, we went ahead and painted all that stuff black for him. Just an added benefit of getting your stuff done here at Signature Performance. And he also added, obviously, the upper control arms. He did want to go ahead and opt for a Reservoir shock as well. And also the billet ball joint caps. In the rear, Todd just wanted to go ahead and keep this truck level, so we went ahead and kept it with an 1 3/4 spacer in the back, obviously with some U-bolts. And the nice thing about this guy is it comes factory with the camper package. So he does go ahead and he retains the factory overload spring on there. So we did not take that off with the block, does not lose any payload or towing capacity. So also opted for the M84 Reservoir shocks in the back. So for the tire portion of this guy, he did opt for the Toyo Open Country AT3s. Todd was actually very specific on what he wanted. He wanted an all-terrain for sure. Did not want it to be loud on the highway. So kind of went back and forth, possibly all-terrain, possibly RT. Went ahead and landed on these AT3s specifically. Wanted it quiet, and then wanted to be able to tow. So obviously got the 10 ply on there. It's a beautiful tire, very comfortable ride. So for the wheel choice today, we went with the Method MR 323s. The wheels have a positive 12 offset, which equates to a 5.5-inch backspace. You can see that it does poke slightly more than the positive 18s that we typically go with, but still has a beautiful stance. Customer wanted that look of just slightly more poke. So the finish on these methods are a gloss black. And then we obviously finished up with a nice gloss black lug. Customer kind of wanted to keep it uniform, match upper control arms, and match the ball joint caps. So the one thing Todd was very specific on, he did not want it to rub. So obviously bringing the wheel out slightly with a positive 12 offset, went ahead and did the Mudflap delete kit. And we also added the Fender tieback kit, slight trim on the front. But again, no rubbing during suspension articulations, going up driveways, speed bumps, anything like that. He does tow and he does off-road the vehicle, so he is clear to go. He's good to go. The other thing that we're excited for this build was we actually got to fit a 37, 12.5, 18 Toyo AT3, so same exact tire, underneath in the factory location with no modifications needed. If you're a customer out of state or you're local, you're up in San Francisco area, in the Bay Area, that's okay. More than happy to build your truck for you. Please feel free to give me a call anytime. Again, my name is Jimmy. A lot of guys here. We got Raymond, we got Daniel. Jacob can take care of you as well. Hit us up. We'll get you taken care of.